Attention, owners of metal smelting and workpiece heat treatment businesses. This single-phase dry-type furnace transformer supports full-spec customization, any capacity available. It withstands current shocks from frequent furnace start-stop cycles, featuring fast heating, uniform temperature, and electrical isolation protection. Ideal for industrial melting furnaces, resistance heating furnaces, induction heating equipment, and high-temperature lab furnaces. All copper windings with vacuum impregnation for enhanced insulation. Class F insulation. ADC temperature rise rating runs non-stop under full load for long durations. Dry type. Oil-free design for safe, hassle-free workshop installation.